Alright, new scene in nature. I'm about to wear my purple dish gloves. They keep the kitty over here. He's really freaking out, but then there he goes. Yep. I love the purple dish gloves. It was really cool about that. Wow. Yeah. Huh. I love this purple dish gloves. Looks like I'm touching the animals with Dexter hands. Yeah. Read about that. Yeah. Really cool about that. Looks like in a show. Big scene in nature. Yeah. And I brought this purple dish gloves in the mail. Yeah, about that. Yeah. That's unfortunate. And now look at the people. Take a look at my dish gloves. This bear and Lucas. There he goes. Yeah, pretty. Looks like accurate to Dexter's. Yeah, I love the purple dish gloves. Looks like in the show. Dexter's Laboratory. Dee Dee. Looks like in the actual show. Yeah, and the touch of experiments and inventions from Dexter. Really cool on that. Take a look into nature with my purple dish gloves. I love the day out. Such a pretty nature.